What's up guys, how you been? Today I've been doing a lot of unboxings, so I'm trying to hurry through these videos. I'm doing a lot, Robin. Today we're doing a mix and match of a lot of different things. We're doing multiple different companies, multiple different fragrances, and a bunch of these are just stuff that interested me from TikTok and different places that I saw and got interested in. So this is a mixed bag unboxing. This is gonna be a quick smell, give my first impression of all fragrances, and then do a final sniff of everything again, just a little bit of a dry down, and then give my final thoughts, and that's it. That's gonna be the way this is. It's gonna be a quick moving video. Let's start with the first one. The first one is Elixir by Atralia. Here's the bottle. It's a very simple looking bottle. It looks nice. It looks pretty decent. The top is plastic, the bottle's glass, nothing special. I like the amberish color of this. So we're gonna do a quick sniff. Yeah, so I'm guessing this is gonna be a Jean Paul Gaultier's Elixir alternative, inspired by, because it smells similar to that. It smells good, I like it. I can't tell you how close it is to the original. I have the original right here. I'm gonna unbox it in a future video. I also have a sample somewhere else. It smells very close to what I remember Jean Paul Gaultier's Elixir is. I do not sense the tobacco-iness that usually, or the smokiness that usually comes in for me, and I'm not getting much of that lavender that also supposed to be there. This one's a sweeter version of that Elixir vibe, if that's what they're going for. Next one is Cream Velvet by Khadlaj. I believe this is supposed to be a Bianco Latte dupe. So that was great. Let's do a sniff of this. Yeah, this is giving Eclair, this is giving Bianco Latte, this is giving like tonic, caramel, milky vibes. Very similar to Eclair, very similar to Bianco Latte. I actually prefer Eclair over Bianco Latte. Eclair to me is stronger, to me it's deeper than Bianco Latte. So I prefer that. And this smells closer to Eclair than Bianco Latte. So I like this scent so far. We'll wait till it dries down to get a second sniff. Next one is Shiiyaka by Khadlaj. Shiiyaka Silver by Khadlaj. I don't remember why I got this. Oh, this has the notes on it. Great. This has petite grain, rosemary, pink pepper, ylang ylang, neroli, orris root, cedar, velvet, vetiver, patchouli, sandalwood. No idea what this is supposed to smell like. Oh, this is an interesting bottle. Those are little spikes, by the way. Do you see all those little... Those are little spikes. Kind of reminds me of the Crave bottle. Like it's going for like this dominatrix vibe. I like it. It's interesting. It smells fruity, floral, but lightly floral, like very lightly floral. Very fruity, supported by lightly floral and woody. It's very unisex. I enjoy this. Like it a lot. Let's wait for it to dry down a little bit so we can get a better vibe of it. And then the last one I am gonna look at today is this one, which is called Amber Saffron by French Avenue. This box is iconic. I really like it. And the cool thing about this box is this is the fragrance right there. That crystal right there is the fragrance. And when you open it, it reveals the fragrance. That is cool beans. And this is the fragrance. That is a cool presentation. Ooh. That is nice. That smells very saffrony, very ambery. It's exactly what it's trying to sell you. That smells very comforting to me. I like that a lot. It smells very sophisticated, very rich, very luxe. This smells extremely luxe. French Avenue does really good scents. They do really sophisticated, complex scents. And this is no exception. It smells fantastic. So let's do Elixir one last time. A second sniff once it has like dried down a little bit. Yeah, this is, I believe, a dupe of Elixir, of Jean Paul Gaultier's Le Male Elixir, and it smells a little bit like that. I think a little bit more lavender is coming out there. It just smells sweet. It smells sweet with slight floral notes coming in. It really isn't the most complex of scents. I think I'm perceiving slight funkiness or smokiness coming in there. Nothing really to write home about. It's an interesting scent. It's a nice scent, but I've seen this DNA quite a bit, so nothing really like stands out to me as exceptional. But again, this is a good scent. Nothing bad about it. It's good quality. It's nice. Next we have Cream Velvet from Khadlaj. I actually have the notes here. I didn't see that the box had the notes right there. So the notes are buttery, caramel, licorice, honey, jasmine, tonka, ambery, musk, vanilla. Yeah, and it smells less like Eclair now. It smells more like Bianco Latte, so it's a little bit airier than Eclair. That like tonicness kind of went away, so it's a little bit higher. Eclair's so deep and creamy. This smells less creamy now. This smells a little bit more airy. Still sweet, still Bianco Latte DNA, still good. But as it is, I still like Bianco Latte. You know, I still like Eclair more than this one. But I need to do like a wear test and try it out. Shiiyaka. This is Anisi. This is fruity. This is kind of astringent, medical. It kind of smells a little bit medical, but interesting. Not a typical US centered scent, I guess you could say. It's a nice scent. It's different. It's different than anything I own, and I like that. It kind of smells like spices, like a mix of different spices. I really like that. It's an interesting vibe. I like this a lot. This smells different than anything I own, which is cool because I own a lot at this point, and I really like having something that surprises me. I can't tell you specifically what it smells like because it's not something that triggers a specific memory for me, but it does smell good. And this one just smells great. This one smells like expensive. This smells expensive. This smells luxury. This smells smoky. This smells like warm and dusk. It smells like dusk. It smells like warmth and night. And this is Batman in a bottle. This is really good. I like it a lot. This is great. So all of these are really good. The only one I'm kind of not sold by is the Elixir Atralia one. And it's mainly because nothing really stood out as special to me. But the other three have like interesting things in them that caught my attention. So overall, good batch. Enjoyed this. I'm excited to try these out in the long run. Specifically, this one seems like a great try. What do you guys think? Would you like me to move these up in the queue and try them out as a longer test? I'm testing all these at some point, but let me know if you want me to move them up in the queue at some point. Remember, a sense is subjective. What I like isn't necessarily what you like. And always remember to smell your best. See ya.